I'm Mohammed from grade 8B and I study in the Sheffield Private School. Today I would like to show you guys an experiment on chromatography. Now this is a new topic that we learned. Chromatography means color writing. It's a way of separating two or more substances that have turned into a mixture. Now, as you can see, this is an experiment. It's called paper chromatography. This is very easy. Anyone can do it. It doesn't take a lot of effort to experiment yourself. For this experiment, we will need chromatography paper, or like I used it, a kitchen roll tissue paper. We also used 2 markers. Make sure that they have to be different colors. I used 3 clips and 3 pencils to hold the paper. And as you can see in the water, in the cups, 3 transparent cups, I filled some water in it. What you want to do is put the marker onto the paper, but make sure it's not at the complete bottom. See here, I'm going to put the paper like that. See, you can already see that the dot is starting to make a pattern. That's because water, it travels from where it's wet to where it's dry. Now, if you see the difference between the blue and the red and the green, you can see that one might go higher than the other. That's because the chemicals inside might be lighter, so they might travel higher than the other substance. Alright, so you can start seeing a pattern now. The reason I got 2 reds, if you're wondering, was because I wanted to prove to you guys that when you have 2 same substances, they will make the exact same pattern. Right, I'll roughly give this experiment 2 minutes to complete its process. You can see now the patterns, they're being full, they're rising up. So yeah, like I was saying, the reason I have 2 reds is because I want to prove, that they can be the same, and they might vary by width or in size, but as you can see, they're very similar. Alright, now I've put the paper into a better condition. Now we're going to measure how far they traveled. Let's see if both the red traveled the same height. This is roughly about 6 centimeters. And this is roughly 6 centimeters also. See, that proves the point that these 2, even though they might not look completely like twins, they travel the same distance, which means they have the same properties and same elements into it. Now let's check the green. The green traveled roughly 5 centimeters. So that proves that the red was lighter than the green. Alright, well that was my experiment. I hope you guys learned something out of it. Remember, this is my first video, and if there's any mistakes, I apologize for it. Hopefully I will make more productive videos about science and other topics. That's it for now. Goodbye. Cheers.